What you doing, taking a bath? Are you taking a dirt bath, Paulie, huh? Oh my gosh, I love this rooster. Look at you kicking up that dirt. What are you doing, Flo? Penny, Olivia, what's Paulie doing? Oh, he's feeling so good, so good. Ah, dirt. Look at those pretty tail feathers. Paulie's so handsome. He's so beautiful. He loves it. He loves the dirt. I don't know. I could watch this for hours. This is the cutest thing ever. Imagine only having 2 feet and no hands. They have 2 feet and 2 wings. I love it. I love this. He's so happy. He's such a good boy.